Hey superstars, it's your girl Malika, aka Miss Magic, back with another video. So like you just saw, we're gonna do a old school perm rod set. I'm gonna hook it up and show you just exactly how I did it. But first, before we get started, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me and give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. Alright, so we're gonna take this old wash and go that I slept on. Didn't tie my hair up or nothing. We're gonna take it down. I got like a pin-up situation going on back here that I did. So yeah, we are gonna take this down and I am going to come back after I am washed. You know what guys, I'm washed. I meant to say fully blow dry. We're gonna do our rod set on fully blow dried hair. So give me a minute. Alright, so we are blow dried. I figured I better do it blow dried because I have somewhere to be later and I really need this to dry quicker. So we're going to try this out, and this will be the first time that I've ever done a rod set, a perm rod set with my hair blow dried, just using a setting lotion. So I figured that would be good. Alright, I've sectioned my hair into 4 sections and I'm just going to be using a foam wrap to do this because like I said, I want my hair to dry fast. And on dry hair, and I'm going to use a hooded dryer, it should dry pretty fast. I am using the Curl Sea Moss collection, which should be available in stores soon. But you can use any kind of foam wrap of your choice that you like. So yeah, let's get started. And I'm just going to be using the good old-fashioned orange perm rods. That's the size that I've always used for my hair. So let's get started. Go ahead and take a section in the back. I've split my hair in 4 sections as I said. Take a nice size section, maybe like that. I'm gonna pin it. And we're just gonna go ahead, put a little mousse on it. Now I'm not gonna mousse the ends because I want my ends to stay as straight as possible. So we're gonna, okay, if it come out, we're gonna go ahead and do our first section. You know what I meant to ask y'all? Why do naturals, when they rod their hair, do all that twisting stuff? I never did that. I just go ahead, wrap it around, and twist it on up like that. They do all that twisty, bendy stuff. And I meant to ask why, but I guess I never watched a video on that. Look, I'm jacking up already. I can't talk and chew gum at the same time. But yeah, I meant to ask that question. Like, why do y'all do that? Never had to do that before, but yeah. Hey, whatever. Alright, so yeah, I'm just gonna take it, comb it all the way to the ends, and twist it on it. Go ahead and twist up my whole head off camera and I'll be right back. Alright guys, when I got to the front for these 3 rollers in the front, I'm gonna, all the other ones I rolled this way and these rolled this way on this side because that's just the way the right hand and the left hand works. So but these front ones, I want them to come forward like these do so it'll look uniform when I take my rollers out my hair. Let me tell you what I'm talking about. So you see this one is rolled to the back. And then this one, which is going to be awkward because I'm right-handed. But hey, well, I'm not gonna say it's gonna be awkward, but we just gonna roll it to the front like such. So now I guess it ain't gonna be awkward. A little bit awkward. And then roll it to the front just like this. These are. So that when I take them down, they'll look the same. You know what I mean? That's all. I just want to show you that. So the top 2 up here, I'm going to do the same thing. And then I'll be back when I'm actually all the way done. Alright, I am all done. This is the back. How the back looks. And if I am a betting woman, I would say it's probably going to take me 30 to 40 minutes under the dryer to dry. Let's hope. So I'll be back after I get dressed and to take these down and show you the results. Now the reason why I went with this too is two reasons actually. First one was because I knew it would take less time to dry, but the second reason is I really don't want that tight look of rods. I want it to be a little bit looser, so I'm hoping that it doesn't come out as tight. So we'll see. I want it a little bit looser. It doesn't even matter if it's a little frizzy or it doesn't last me a week. I just want it to be a little looser curl for what where I'm going today. So hopefully it will work out. I will see you guys back in a minute. All right guys, I am back. We are ready for the takedown. My hair is dry. So we're gonna get started on this little takedown. Okay. Oops. A couple of my rollers popped while I was under the dryer, but whatever. Okay, so yeah, I want a nice loose look. Is it dry? We gonna pray this hair is dry, y'all. So yep, we gonna take it all down. All right. Sorry guys, if it seems like I'm rushing, I am. I got somewhere to be. Ow. But I'm liking how these curls are coming out. Oh yeah, I'm ashy. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna lotion up. I gotta put a little bit more makeup on. All right, so this is how it looks, all taken down. Before I go ahead and figure it out, I'm gonna put a little oil on my, don't worry about me being ashy. I just said that. I'm gonna put some more lotion on. I'm trying not to get lotion on my shirt. Y'all know how it is when you're about to go out and you're touching yourself, you can't have lotion all over you. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little oil on my hands, which I still can't get on my shirt. And we're gonna pull them apart. So let's start from the back. Right. This came out really cute. It's real soft. It could be a little crunchier for me, but like I did say earlier, that I didn't care if it didn't last that long. But I think I sat under the dryer, I want to say 35 minutes, and it felt like it was dry to me. It might not be 100% dry, but it's dry enough. It's gonna work out. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and fluff it out. We're gonna get it all sectioned out. Alright guys, so this is definitely the look that I was going for. I did not want it to be that tight Shirley Temple curl thingy that be going on. So when some people do their perm rod sets, I didn't want that real tight look because my hair is not long. So I wanted it to like hang on my shoulders, and it's doing exactly what I wanted it to do. I love it. So this was my first attempt at a blown out rod set, and I must admit I'm pretty pleased. This is the back. That's what the back is looking like. So yeah, I am pretty pleased. I think I'm gonna spray a little hole spray on it, just a little. And yeah, this is pretty much it. I like it. I'm in love. So okay, definitely what I was going for, a nice loose look. So let me know guys in the comment section if you like it, if you think it's not tight enough, you think it's only gonna last one day. I think it probably give me about 3 days. I'm gonna make it give me about 3 days. But guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me and give me a big thumbs up. And hit that notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video. All right, your girl gotta finish getting ready. She gotta fix her face up a little bit so she can get on up out of here. But thank you guys. I hope to see you in past, present, and future videos. Love you guys. Bye.